Hey everyone, and welcome back to Sparkling Facts. Are you ready to get that heart rate up and burn some serious calories? I know I am. Today, I've got a super quick, super effective fat-burning workout that you can literally do anywhere. No excuses. Whether you're at home, in a hotel room, or even in a small office space, these 7 exercises are designed to maximize your burn in the shortest amount of time. We're going to be working our entire body, getting sweaty, and feeling absolutely amazing afterwards. This isn't about spending hours in the gym, it's about making every single second count. We're focusing on high-intensity movements that will kick your metabolism into high gear and keep it running long after the workout is over. I want you to push yourself, but also listen to your body. The goal is progress, not perfection. Remember why you press play today. You're here to challenge yourself, to get stronger, and to feel more confident in your own skin. So, clear a little space, grab some water, and let's get ready to work. We're in this together, and I'll be right here with you, every step of the way. Let's crush this workout and show ourselves what we're made of. The energy is high, the motivation is real, and the results are waiting for you. Are you ready? Let's go! Alright, let's kick things off with our first exercise, high knees. This is a fantastic way to get your heart rate up instantly and warm up your entire body. We're going to start by standing with our feet about hip-width apart. The movement is simple, but the intensity is key. We're going to be driving our knees up towards our chest, one at a time, as if we're running in place. It's all about explosive power and getting those legs as high as you can. As you get into the rhythm, I want you to focus on a few things. Drive your knees up, pump your arms, keep the core tight. Your arms should be moving in sync with your legs, helping you generate momentum and power. A tight core is crucial here. It will stabilize your body and protect your lower back. Think about pulling your belly button in towards your spine. And most importantly, stay light on your feet. We want to be landing on the balls of our feet, nice and bouncy, to keep the impact low and the speed high. Keep that energy up. We're not just going through the motions, we're working with purpose. Feel your heart start to pound and your muscles start to warm up. This is exactly what we want. If you need to modify, you can slow down the pace and march it out, but still focus on driving those knees up high. For everyone else, let's pick up the pace for these last few seconds. Faster, faster. You've got this. Keep breathing and keep moving. Great job! Now, let's move on to our second exercise, the squat to knee drive. This one is a powerhouse move that targets your glutes, quads, and hamstrings, while also challenging your balance and core stability. We're combining 2 amazing movements into one fluid motion. Start with your feet, shoulder width apart, toes pointing slightly outwards. We're going to begin by sinking our hips back and down into a deep squat, as if you're sitting in an imaginary chair. Keep your chest up and your back straight. From the bottom of your squat, I want you to explode upwards with power. As you stand, drive one knee up towards your chest with force. Squat low, drive your knee up as you stand. Power through your legs. The power comes from your glutes and quads, so really squeeze them as you come up. The knee drive adds that extra element of core work and instability, forcing your body to work harder to stay balanced. Then, you'll lower that leg and immediately sink back into your next squat, alternating which knee you drive up each time. Let's find a good rhythm here. It's all about control on the way down and explosive power on the way up. Make sure your weight is in your heels when you squat and you're not letting your knees cave inwards. Each rep should be deliberate and strong. Feel that burn building in your thighs and glutes? That's the feeling of change happening. Keep pushing through. Don't let the fatigue stop you. We are building strength and endurance with every single rep. Okay team, time to hit the floor for mountain climbers. This is an incredible full-body exercise that will torch calories and really work your core, shoulders, and cardiovascular system. Get into a high plank position. Your hands should be directly under your shoulders, your back flat like a tabletop, and your body in a straight line from your head to your heels. Engage your core right from the start to prevent your hips from sagging or rising too high. Now, let's get those knees moving. The action is like running in place, but in a plank position. Pull one knee in towards your chest, then quickly switch and pull the other knee in. Hands under shoulders, pull your knees in as fast as you can. Keep the hips low. The goal is to maintain a steady, fast pace, as if you're climbing a steep mountain. The faster you go, the more you'll feel your heart rate spike and your abs burn. Don't forget to breathe. It's easy to hold your breath when you're concentrating, but your muscles need that oxygen. Keep your gaze slightly forward, not straight down, to help maintain a neutral spine. If your hips start to rise, pause for a second, reset your plank, and then get back into it. It's all about maintaining that strong form. Push the pace, challenge yourself, and feel that amazing burn. You are so much stronger than you think. Let's finish this strong. Let's get back on our feet and throw some punches. Our next exercise is punch jabs. This is not just a great cardio move, but it's also fantastic for sculpting your shoulders, back, and obliques. So, stand with your feet wider than shoulder width apart, with a slight bend in your knees. We want a strong, athletic stance. Bring your hands up to guard your face, like a boxer. This is our starting position. We're going to be punching straight out in front of us, alternating arms. The key to making this effective is putting your whole body into it. As you punch, I want you to pivot on the ball of your back foot and rotate your torso. Punch straight, rotate your torso, engage your core. Keep the pace. Each punch should be sharp and powerful, not just a floppy arm movement. Imagine you're hitting a target right in front of you. Extend your arm fully, then snap it back quickly to the guard position. The power comes from that rotation in your core. Let's pick up the speed now. The faster you go, the more you'll feel your heart rate climb and your obliques fire up. Keep your shoulders relaxed and down, away from your ears. We want the work to come from your core and back, not from tensing your neck. This is also a great way to release some stress. So, put some intention behind those punches. Keep breathing, keep moving, and keep that intensity high. You're doing an amazing job. Time to slow it down just a little bit, but don't be fooled, this next one is a real leg burner. We're doing alternating reverse lunges. This exercise is incredible for targeting your glutes and quads, while also improving your balance and stability. Start by standing tall with your feet together, your core engaged, and your chest proud. We're going to take a big step backward with one leg, landing on the ball of that back foot. As you step back, lower your hips until both knees are bent at a 90-degree angle. Your front knee should be directly over your ankle, and your back knee should be hovering just an inch or two off the floor. Step back, drop your knee, push through your front heel. Pushing through that front heel is so important, because it's what really activates your glute muscle. Then, drive through that front heel to return to the starting position, and immediately alternate to the other leg. The goal here is control and depth. We want smooth and controlled movements, not jerky ones. Focus on keeping your upper body upright throughout the entire exercise. Try not to lean forward. If you feel wobbly, that's okay. It just means your stabilizer muscles are working hard, and they will get stronger. Each lunge is a chance to perfect your form and build that lower body strength. Feel the burn and embrace it. That's how we grow stronger. We're heading back down to the floor for another plank variation. This time, it's plank jack taps. This move is going to challenge your core stability, work your shoulders, and get that heart rate right back up. Let's start in that familiar high plank position. Remember the key points. Shoulders are stacked directly over your wrists. Your body is in a single straight line, and your core is super tight. No sagging hips allowed. From this strong plank, we're going to perform a plank jack. This means you'll jump your feet out wide and then jump them back together, just like a jumping jack but in a plank. Tap your feet out and in, but we're adding a twist. After each jack, feet out, then feet in, you're going to tap one foot out to the side, bring it back, then tap the other foot out to the side. So the sequence is jack, tap right, tap left, and repeat. The real challenge here is to keep your upper body and hips as still as possible. Keep shoulders over your wrists and core tight. Your core has to work overtime to prevent your body from rocking side to side as your legs move. If the jumping is too much, you can modify by stepping your feet out, and in one at a time for the jack. The goal is to keep moving and keep that core engaged. You are building incredible core strength right now. Almost there, keep it up. This is it, our final exercise. Let's finish this workout with a huge burst of energy. We're doing fast feet with a mini squat. This is all about speed, agility, and a final calorie-burning push. Get into an athletic stance, feet wide, knees bent, and get low. We're going to start chopping our feet as fast as we possibly can, staying on the balls of our feet. It's like you're running on hot coals. Go, go, go. Keep those feet moving. Fast feet. Then drop into a mini squat every 5 seconds. I'll count it down for you. So it's 5 seconds of super fast feet. Then you'll briefly hold a low mini squat and then right back into the fast feet. This combination of speed and isometric hold will completely exhaust your leg muscles and send your heart rate soaring. It's the perfect way to empty the tank and finish strong. Come on, this is your final push. How fast can you move your feet? How low can you get in that squat? Challenge yourself right to the very end. Your legs might be screaming, but your mind is stronger. Keep your chest up and keep breathing. You are capable of so much more than you think. Don't give up now. We are seconds away from the finish line. Give me everything you've got left. Finish strong. 3, 2, 1, and done. And that is a wrap. You did it. Take a deep breath and give yourself a huge pat on the back. That was intense, but you pushed through and you should be incredibly proud of yourself. Take a moment to feel that amazing post-workout energy, that feeling of accomplishment. This is what happens when you decide to show up for yourself. Remember, consistency is what brings results, so try to incorporate short, effective workouts like this into your routine regularly. You don't need a lot of time to make a big impact on your health and fitness. Thank you so much for working out with me today here on Sparkling Facts. I love sharing these routines with you and being a part of your fitness journey. Every comment, like, and share means the world and helps our community grow stronger together. Keep up the amazing work, stay hydrated, and be sure to do a good cool-down stretch to help your muscles recover. You've earned it. Remember that every drop of sweat is a step towards a healthier, happier you. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe so you don't miss out on our next workout. Comment fire emoji if you finished. Let me know in the comments which exercise was your favorite or the most challenging. I can't wait to see you all in the next video. Keep sparkling and stay active. Bye.